Hey friends, are you ready? Welcome to my channel, Fun Strawberry.
Let's learn some home appliances. Refrigerator, washing machine, dishwasher, microwave oven, stove, coffee maker, toaster, blender, air conditioner, water heater, vacuum cleaner, ceiling fan, clothes dryer, iron box, mixer, electrical kettle, rice cooker, air purifier, slow cooker, bread maker, electric grill, water dispenser, hair dryer, hair straightener, food warmer, television. Thanks for watching, kids.